How to import products from Amazon to Shopify quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import products from Amazon to Shopify. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Shopify admin and you'll get right here. Then you're going to go to apps and open up your Shopify app store. It will take you right here. You're going to search for Amazon. Here you will get different options. So we can use Amazon dropshipping with a third party, which is Codisto. So you're going to select this one, Amazon by Codisto, the new Amazon sales channel. Once you select it, it's free. You can click on add app and it will be added to your Shopify. Make sure that you have an account on Amazon so that you can log in easily. Once you have your account on Amazon and you have added the app from here, then you just need to connect these two platforms. Click on install app and connect, and Amazon will be connected to your Shopify. Then we can go to the apps and sales channel right here and you can see it has Amazon. We're going to open up the app. It's a sales channel that we added to our Shopify. And now you can see this is the connect to Amazon option. That is why I said you should create an account on Amazon first or have your login details. Click on connect and that's it. Log into your Amazon and this way you will be able to import your products from Amazon.com really easily to your Shopify store. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.